Hi boys and girls! I'm gonna do a special request, especially from Athena and Zane. Hello! Because we're going to make Peppa Pig mini notebooks. So, are you excited? Okay, so you better gather your materials first.
So let's get started with these materials. So first things first, we need to grab our cardboard and then our white paper. So if your white paper is thick enough, then you wouldn't need to use a cardboard. So we fold it into two and we'll start drawing it 2 times. Okay, so we start with a circle and then a letter C and a letter O and an inverted letter U. And let's put some allowance for the head of Peppa Pig. Yeah, there you go. An allowance, so it's easier to stick it onto our colored paper later. So now, let's just flip it onto the other side and start drawing the details. 2 small circles. And then the eyeballs. A sleeping letter C. And another circle. So that's Peppa Pig. And then same goes with Brother George. Yeah, colored in pink. Then after that, put some details and use magenta for the outline. So this is Peppa Pig's face. And then this is the same procedure for Brother George. Easy, right? So if you can draw Peppa Pig, then you can make Brother George too. Okay, now we need to make the body. So let's make the dress of Peppa Pig. And that's just a triangle without a head. If it's big, just adjust it. Just make sure when you cut that there's allowance to the side, just like that. Yep. To make Brother George's clothes, we have to make a square and then cut some curves on the sides. That will give you a circle. So now let's go back to Peppa Pig and then let's make some arms and hands. So make sure to make 4 of these. It's just very easy. It's like you need to color like straight line and then a circle and then like a letter M at the edge of our circle. Then we need to outline it again with magenta. So again, I'll repeat, you better make 4 of these, like 2 pairs of arms and hands for Peppa Pig and Brother George. Isn't it easy? Just make sure that you have another pair for Brother George. Just color it pink and then again for your outline, always use magenta. You can always adjust it later. So now it's time to make a pair of legs. So make 2 sets of these, one for Peppa and one for Brother George. It's just the same. And after that, you can always adjust it accordingly, and then our guide will always be the dress of Peppa and Brother George. Now we'll have to make the boots. So yellow for Peppa and then black for Brother George. Then we will have to place everything. Yeah, glue everything properly. And now it looks like a notebook, right? And we will have to cut it. And now we'll have to get like 3 pieces of paper, maybe 2 pieces of paper to make some notepads inside our Peppa Pig. So just make sure that the shape is just okay and can fit inside what you made. You can actually make a heart. You can make even a star, whatever shape that you like, as long as it fits. Yeah, now it looks like a notebook. But one thing, we need to staple from the side where the fold is at. Same goes with Brother George, but with Brother George, it's around his neck because the fold is somewhere there. Okay, and flip it and see, you have a notepad inside already. Isn't it cute?
So now we're done with the special request. So I'd like to say hello again to Athena. And you can write things that you're happy about in this mini notebook. And hello to Zane in Singapore. Hello. So this is our brother George and again Peppa Pig. So did you enjoy our special request activity? Because I did enjoy it. But I'd like to thank my very good friend for giving me this shirt. Eat, sleep, and paint and repeat. So hi Maxine and Irene. So this has been my special tutorial on Peppa Pig and Brother George. Until next time, and I will bring you again to Southeast Asia. So once again, I'm Karina Hardin and see you soon. Bye!